A cesarean section, often referred to as a C-section, is a surgical method of delivering a baby through incisions made in the mother's abdomen and uterus. This procedure is typically performed when a vaginal delivery would pose risks to the mother or the baby. The decision for a C-section can arise from various medical indications, including fetal distress, failure of labor to progress, or the presence of multiple pregnancies. Preparing for a C-section is essential. Expectant mothers should discuss their birth plan with healthcare providers, ensuring they understand the reasons for a C-section, the associated risks, and recovery expectations. While the thought of surgery may evoke anxiety, knowing that the health and safety of both mother and child are prioritized can provide peace of mind. Hospitals usually offer support systems, including educational classes that cover what to expect. During the procedure, the mother is typically given regional anesthesia to ensure she remains awake yet comfortable during delivery. As the surgical team meticulously makes the necessary incisions, the atmosphere in the operating room is one of focused professionalism. Medical staff work seamlessly together, ensuring the utmost care is provided. The moment the baby is lifted into view marks a significant milestone, accompanied by a mixture of relief and joy. Following the birth, the recovery process begins in the hospital. Mothers may remain in the hospital for several days post-surgery to monitor their healing and ensure both mother and baby are thriving. The initial healing period typically involves managing pain and practicing gentle movements to encourage circulation. Support from family and healthcare staff can make all the difference, as emotional and physical well-being are paramount during recovery. As time goes on, many mothers who have undergone a C-section find themselves capable of engaging in their usual activities. However, it is crucial to pay attention to the body's signals and adhere to the healthcare provider's recommendations. Understanding the implications of a C-section for future pregnancies is equally important, as it may influence delivery choices down the line. In summary, a cesarean section is a significant medical procedure that requires careful consideration, preparation, and support. By arming oneself with knowledge and engaging with healthcare professionals, expectant mothers can confidently navigate the journey of bringing their new baby into the world, whether through C-section or vaginal delivery.